guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are en route to Ipswich, Bury St Edmunds. I've got my little brother with me and he's decided to get involved in the car trading. So this is going to be a fun one. He's actually invested £1,500 of his own money. No, £2,000 all in all, I think. And he's invested in 2 cars and some money to obviously fix the cars. So today we're en route to Ipswich to pick up a Nissan Pixo 2013. It's got about 35,000 on the clock. Really low mileage, guys. It's a category N. This car is in auction due to an accident damage, of course. So a dealer disposal, normally they put in there due to some kind of fault, but accident damage tend to be I've so far got accident damage cars that have always been alright mechanically, and just the damage caused by the accident is the reason the car's been in auction. So that's just a little tip. I have called DVLA because this car does not come with any logbooks. I have called DVLA and they have told me that the car is under trade. So straight from picking up the car, I'm going to leave it outside the yard and I'm going to head to the post office and tax the vehicle. Sometimes I'm pretty lucky and the vehicle's already taxed. It's a 1 litre, probably 0 tax. So I'm assuming the car's still got tax on it. So stay tuned. I will continue the video when I get there. You guys are going to enjoy this one. Right guys, sorry about the wind. Just have a look at that blue sky behind me. Sun is shining. Amazing day. Hopefully it stays that way. We're here at Bury St Edmunds and we are picking up my little brother's car. He started doing the trade as mentioned. He didn't make payment for the vehicle, so now he's done that and we're just waiting 20 minutes for the car to be released. Only when the funds are shown on the system the guy can release it. So yeah, we're waiting about 20 minutes, he said, and car should turn up. Stay tuned. Looking forward to seeing what this car is like, and hopefully there's no damage at all on the car. I mean, besides the damage that I know that's already on the vehicle, so it should be a straightforward. I think it's a bumper and a little bit on the roof. There's some damage, but the bumper needs to be put on properly. So 1 litre as mentioned, so hopefully it's got tax. If not, we've got tax. It should be free tax as well, so looking forward to that. Stay tuned. It's always interesting when you're here to see what other people have bought. Bit nosy, but I do enjoy seeing what other people bought. Sometimes you have bidding wars and you see the same person that you was bidding on, see the same car you was bidding on. But yeah, always interesting to see what other people buy. That's our car coming there. Nice little thing. How many guys? Let's just get this guy come through. High squeeze in here. Nice. There you go, guys. Cheers for that, mate. Yeah, you can leave in there. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Bumper. Just to stick that back on. And that there. Crazy little thing. Mileage. Smells alright, nice and clean inside. Right guys, I'm just here at the post office. Let's get this car taxed and head home. This is the N-Tech. You do get a few little gadgets. Car seems to run really smooth, drives okay through all the gears so far. 2-hour journey, over 100 miles back. So if it gets back, we know it's good as well. Stay tuned, let's get it taxed and I'll continue the video on the way. Right guys, we've got about 4 bars of fuel, which is pretty right. I've taxed the vehicle. I'm going to use a fiver and we're going to see exactly how good and efficient this car is. I've got over 100 miles. I'm pretty sure adding fiver to that should get me over 100 miles. Right guys, vehicle's all taxed. It's about 3:50. I'm heading home. We got about an hour, no, 2-hour drive back. So stay tuned. I will let you know how I get on. Topped up with some fuel. Let's go. I'll keep you guys updated along the way. Right guys, have a look at that Honda Civic. We've got one of them and look how clean that is. So that's a bit of inspiration for me to get mine polished up and ready for sale, because look how clean that car looks. Look at the wheels. Look at the sun shining on that car. It's looking really, really nice, man. That guy's probably looked after that forever, mate. I love it. So far, guys, we are in the journey. We've got about 50 miles left to get home. And so far, so good. Car drives really well. Sounds like it's got a bit of a loud wheel bearing. Not too loud, Maybe this car is just generally a noisy car inside the cabin, but it seems to be driving really well. The fuel's not gone down at all. 0 road tax as well, so we've taxed this car for the year. And yeah, I'll do a walk around as soon as I get back and show you guys exactly what needs doing. Stay tuned, guys, and see you when I get back. Peace. Right, guys, I am back home. The car drove amazing and it didn't even use that much fuel. This car is really, really economical. I love it. I absolutely love this car. Only thing I can say about this, I thought there was something wrong with the wheel bearing, but it turns out this car is just a really noisy car. There's probably not much insulation, you know, sound deadening and stuff like that. However, the car drove nice. When I'm on idle, it feels very like it's got a misfire, you know, that sort of shaky, but I do know that my C1 had the same thing. Let me just get out and have a quick little walk around, show you what we got going on, just so I can end the video on a positive note and you guys can see what we got going on. So let's have a look at this car. What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today is Friday. We are off to Gloucestershire to pick up the Ford Fiesta Edge 1.4 diesel category N. I'll do a walk around when we get there, of course. I'm currently sitting in the Nissan Pixo. I drove it back yesterday, 70 miles per hour, literally all the way, 100 miles on the motorways. Car drove absolutely spot on. I thought I'll come and check all the oils and all the, you know, the coolant and stuff like that after driving 70 miles per hour, because obviously it's a little 1 litre. I just feel like I'm overusing the engine, but it drove nice, and it did take the 70 miles per hour. Fuel wise, very good. 0 road tax as mentioned, and everything seems to check out okay. All the oil is nice. The coolant is still exactly where it was, so we don't have no mechanical problems. However, we do have a few cosmetic things that need doing. I have called ASM for a bumper. I have called a few other companies that do car parts to see if they got a bumper, and no one seems to have a bumper for this car. So yeah, I have looked on eBay, and the cheapest one I think I come across was 250 quid. Absolutely crazy, guys. This is an N-Tech, so it does come with the, what do you call it, the little spotlight things, fog lights in the front. So when I do find a bumper, I need to make sure that one can accommodate that as well. So let's have a quick walk around the car before I set off to Gloucestershire and show you what the car looks like. Right, it is a bit messy, but it drove nice. We need a bumper for it. The bonnet looks like it's in pretty good shape. We do need a bumper. Headlight needs probably one clip is gone on it, but we do need a bumper, like I said a million times. Yep, so just one headlight probably got one clip broken, and a bumper. And the main damage on the car is this. Have a look at that. This is the main damage here, so I need to go see if I can get someone to pull that out. And we've got a little dent here, and other than that, if you can see that, yeah, other than that, you know, it's all right all round. Oh yeah, we do have rear bumper as well. Rear bumper's just got a nudging at the bottom there. But yeah, that's it really for the car, category N. And interior wise, really good interior. I will do a proper video when we get more lighting. Mileage not gone up that much, but fuel not gone down that much either. It's nice. Is the major bit that I am worried about. I know it can be fixed, but you know, I wish it wasn't there. I need to make sure I take the oil, just in case we need it. Right, guys, that's the only major problem we have. Everything else is just cosmetic things and bolt-on bits. I will be tackling as much of the work as possible myself, so stay tuned, and I'm going to learn along the way. I want to start learning how to do clutches because I can't be bothered to be paying people £200 to do a clutch. So stay tuned. I'm probably going to do the clutch on the Fiat Punto myself with my little brother and use the money to get some tools. But I will continue the video when we get to the Ford Fiesta, so stay tuned, and make sure if you're not subbed, give us a sub. Don't forget to share the video and give us a like as well. See you people when I get to the Ford.